Okay, hi everybody, welcome to the instructional video for the Christmas Decorations Maker Kit. This is the one where we use Osmo oils to give it a totally natural finish. This is what the box looks like, and this is what you get inside. So you're going to get a piece of sandpaper like this. Suggest you get a block behind it, anything will do, just something about that size. Wrap your sandpaper around the block so you can sand it properly. You're going to get a piece of string, a long piece of string, cut it into 3 equal lengths for hanging them up. And then you're going to get the Osmo kit as well. Okay, I'm going to put this to one side and we'll come back to that at the end. Okay then, so this is a relatively simple task. What you need to do is sand them with the grain of the wood. So go with the lines in the wood, give them a good sand, take off any sharp corners all the way over, and get them nice and smooth. There's quite a few little kind of bandsaw marks and things like that. You want to make sure you get all of those out nice and smooth, okay? And once they're smooth, then you can Osmo them. So the more effort you put into the sanding, the better it will look at the end. So I'm just going to take a couple of seconds to sand mine, and then I'll be right back with you. Okay then, so I give mine a rough sand. They're nice and smooth. They're not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but I'm sure you get the idea. So then, in your Osmo pack, this is what you get. You get a couple of pots to pour it into. You get your Osmo. Now you need to give this a good smush. Good, kind of move it back and forwards. Make sure you give it a good smush around, like this, to make sure all the pigment is mixed. There's not much in there, but you just want to make sure all the components are mixed together. Okay, once you have got it there, open it up and pour it into your pot. Okay, you can see, there you go, it's about 5 millilitres. Doesn't look a lot, but it is more than enough. And you've got some gloves. Should have put these on first, of course. But pop on your gloves. If you need to clean up anything, use white spirit, will be fine, just to clean it up. Okay then, so I've got my gloves on. The only thing left now is these little pads here. These are little application pads. So what you do is you dip this into your Osmo, like so. And guess what? You rub it on the wood. Simple as that. And look at that, doesn't it just make it look totally amazing? So you just do it on the sides, and just make sure, give it a couple of minutes to soak in, and then just go back and check it, just to make sure that it has sunk into all the areas. You want to make sure there's no dry spots. Okay, also don't put too much on. If you put too much on, it won't set, and you'll just have to wipe it off again, and you might not even have enough to do what you need to do. So just use it bit by bit. So you can see here in this cloth, there's still loads left from the first little dip I did. Okay, so that's that one done. I think you agree, it looks pretty fab. Do a little close up. There you go, it looks amazing. Okay, and then I'm going to go onto my star. And you can see I'm still on the first dip that I've done. So I'm just going to go over that there, and then the other side. Oops. Okay, that's that one done, and then go for the sides as well. I don't think you need to see me finish that, so that's that. And then the robin, same again, another little dip. Now, I suggest you take a little bit more time with yours, but there you go. That's mine done. So one of the key processes now is get some tissue, some kitchen roll will do, or blue roll, and just do it. First of all, wipe your hands off, get the oil off your gloves, and then pick these up and just wipe off any excess oil. You can be quite vigorous with this. You want to make sure you take off any excess oil. Okay. Okay, there you go, all done. Now all you need to do is leave that maybe just on a little Osmo cloth like that, just so that the air can get to it for about 12 hours, and then it'll be totally dry. Then you can get your string, pop your string in and hang it up on your Christmas tree, and it's going to look amazing. And everybody is going to be like, where did you get those amazing Christmas tree decorations from? And you're going to go, I got them from Ash & Co, because that's totally awesome. And there you go. Don't you think it looks cool? Now you could put a little black eye on him if you want to. Once the oil's set, you could use some black paint or something like that. Acrylic paint works fine. Same Christmas tree, it looks pretty awesome. You can also add a second coat. See what you've got left. You've got about half left here. If you put a bit of cling film on that overnight, it'll stop it from setting. And then the next day, use your second cloth and you can do a second coat. It just makes it go a little bit darker, gives it more protection, and it will last for years and years and years. So there you go. That is how to make our Christmas decorations. Make a kit with all natural, all amazing Osmo hard wax oil. Hope you have great fun making these kits, and happy Christmas everyone, and don't forget to send us your makes. Can't wait to see what you made. Thanks for watching. Bye.